In this video, we're going to be talking about the value proposition canvas. It can help you understand your product positioning and ensure there's a product market fit. You should use the canvas to improve and focus your ideas to make sure it fulfills your customers' goals and needs. It's a versatile tool that is useful for both startups and large enterprises. The value proposition canvas can be utilized for both new product offerings and existing products. This tool stems from the business model canvas, which we'll cover in depth in another video. There are two components to the value proposition canvas: the customer profile and the company value proposition. Let's start with the customer profile. Within the customer profile, there are three sections: gains, pains, and customer jobs. Gains are the positive emotions and expectations associated with your product. The more gains, the more likely a customer will adopt your product. Pains are the negative emotions and experiences that the customer has while on their journey to accomplish their goal. Customer jobs are the tasks your customers are trying to complete or their goals. It's important to create a customer profile for all customer segments because they have different needs and pain points. Now, let's talk about the company's value proposition. The value proposition has three sections: gain creators, pain relievers, and products and services. The gain creators are the value that your product creates for your customers. Pain relievers are how the product or service alleviates customer pain points. Products and services are the products and services that create value and benefit for the customer. Have your team members join you as you fill out the canvas, since you don't want to overlook the little details. Team members can make sure you are not overambitious with the good and understate the bad. After listing the components of the value proposition, each point should be ranked from nice to have to essential in terms of value to the customer. A market fit is when the products and services address the pains and gains from the customer profile. Once you create the value proposition canvas, you should conduct qualitative research, such as moderated or unmoderated sessions, to validate your canvas and gain valuable feedback on your value proposition. From qualitative research, you can iterate and improve your value prop. The upside to using the value proposition canvas is that you can focus your idea or concept to see if there's a product market fit. You'll be able to determine if your product will engage customers and solve their pain points. Lastly, you can build your market strategy around your customers' goals and frustrations. Limitations to using the value proposition canvas are that you may overlook certain customer segments. Each segment needs its own canvas, and you may not be able to satisfy all possible use cases with your product since you don't want to lose focus on your core value proposition. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to the Playbook UX channel for weekly whiteboard videos.